I'm telling you.
Beyipakile
lana.
So umuntu
obvious. Mhlawumbe akayijwayelanga. And ijumpile le wingene ngakhona.
Igibele slow. Yafika yapusha. Uyabona imoto uma uyifaka igear wani ungayirev.
Yeah. Oh.
Ungayirev. Slowly kathi. Hayi izimoto zamashayina vele ezinye izinto eziningi.
Azivaye sobhaka enye igaraji. Ama-bad lucks angeke wali-confirm. Ziyenzeka every time. That's the way it is. That's why we gotta pray every morning. Shout out, be safe.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Sad news for Cindy Makhathini. Cindy Makhathini last night uthole a car accident, crash into a Sasol garage. Kesana le Sasol garage iseliqephukile sayidini, but imoto yakhe ayizange ibe nokulimala alokutheni. Uthi into lenhle ukuthi shem le owner lapha e-social garage beyikind, ayizange nje yamniketa inkinga. Uthi nalenye into she was not even drunk. Uthi uva buhlungu because it seems like every time empilweni yakhe kuhlezi njena kuna something bad lendakala. Uyayibona le moto ishaye ilibonza langena phakathi, yangena phakathi nayo esitolo. Le moto njengoba siyibona na kuphela imoto iphakathi esitolo. So uyasho nje ukuthi akuzange kwaba nemonakalo lomtheni, and uyasho ukuthi they are all safe and sound, just uva buhlungu nje kokuthi hlezi kwente kade into letibe empilweni yakhe. Ubhali wathi lucky enough no one was hurt. Also my car was just scratched, but the damage was not much. I am lucky the owner was so kind and gently with the situation. But ma, when does it end? There's always something happening in my life. For your own info, I was not drunk. We were driving with a baby. Ubekele ukuthi wathi no one was hurt. We are just still in shock. So balabaningi nje nabayasenda ama message to uCindy Makhathini saying ukuthi bamfisela nokululama lokusheshako, basho nokuthi shem Nkosi yami kubhlungu lokumvelela ko. Zolo lokhu beka trend uCindy Makhathini, namhla futhi kwendeka something bad empilweni yakhe. So that's why athi ufila ngazuthi hlezi kukhona into lebile endakalako empilweni yakhe. Please do comment what you think below down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.